Hey everyone! Ever wondered what it feels like to soar above one of the most enchanting cities in the world? Well, buckle up, because today I'm taking you on a flight over Venice like you've never seen it before. Imagine this. It's a clear, sunny day, and we're climbing into the cockpit of a shiny Cessna. The engine roars to life, and with a gentle push on the throttle, we're racing down the runway. And then, in just a few thrilling moments, we lift off. Venice, here we come. As we rise, the view transforms dramatically. From up here, Venice isn't just a city, it's a masterpiece painted on the canvas of the earth. We're high enough to see it all, the intricate network of canals, the bustling piazzas, and the iconic red roofs that seem to stretch forever. Now we're swooping lower, gliding just above the Grand Canal. It's like entering a living postcard. Below us, gondolas glide silently past centuries-old palaces and under famous bridges. Can you see the Rialto Bridge down there? And there, St. Mark's Basilica, shimmering in the sun. After a breathtaking spin around the city's highlights, I throw a classic aviator's salute to the pigeons of St. Mark's Square. It's a little tradition of mine. But hold tight, we're not done yet. I pull the yoke and we ascend once more, making another loop. Because with a view like this, once is never enough. Every turn presents a new angle, a new beauty spot, a secret waiting to be discovered from the skies. As we make our final pass, Venice slowly starts to fall away beneath us. I point the Cessna towards the horizon, where the sky meets the Adriatic Sea. The city becomes a part of the vast blue expanse below, a precious jewel tucked away on the Italian coast. And just like that, we're heading home. But the memory of today, well, that's going to last a lifetime. Thanks for flying with me over Venice. Until our next adventure, keep your head in the clouds and your heart full of wanderlust. Ciao for now.